Welcome to Food Cave. Today I'll show you our Eisbein. How do we make an Eisbein? I'm German, so I know in Germany we only use the fresh Eisbein for the grilled Eisbein, which is the Grillhaxe. Not the pickled version, not the smoked ones. The pickled ones is a recipe from Berlin which gets cooked in its mood and then it becomes a white blobbly mess on the plate, and this one gets the crackling. We only use the hocks at the end, between 1.1 and 1.3 kilos as they are. The oven is very hot. It's set on the hottest setting for the first half an hour to form the crackling. Now first we just dip a little bit of oil in there that the spices can stick to it. See here, all the way around. Like that. And then our special crackling spice. I can't tell you unfortunately what's in here, but if you look closely you can see definitely salt. Maybe those pieces are coriander, some herbs. I'm sure somebody will try to recreate this. But let's just spice them all nicely, rub it in. So now it's important to put the Eisbein right standing up like this to form the crackling all the way around. The little fat layer between the skin, what forms the crackling, and the meat will obviously stay juicy as the fat cooks out in between. Right, let's try this. Very hot oven. And it will cook in its own juices. Now I'll see you in a little while and then I'll show you how they come out. Thank you.